Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant push notifications for page messaging on LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable push notifications for page messaging on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile picture with the label Me. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. On the left side of the settings page, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you manage all types of notifications you receive from LinkedIn, including push notifications, emails, and in-app alerts. Now scroll through the notification categories until you find Pages. Click on Pages to see all the notification options related to the LinkedIn pages you manage. Under this section, you'll see different types of notifications, such as page invitations, page updates, and page messaging. Locate the page messaging option. Here, you'll see a toggle switch next to push notifications. If the toggle is blue or set to on, it means push notifications are currently enabled for page messaging. To disable them, simply click the toggle so it switches to the off position. This will immediately stop push notifications for page messaging on your device. And that's it! You've now successfully disabled push notifications for page messaging on LinkedIn. You'll still receive other important notifications as configured, but page messaging alerts will no longer pop up and interrupt your workflow. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and switch the toggle back to on. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.